Supercars. They're the posters on our bedroom walls, the stuff of pure fantasy. The absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering, design, and, of course, speed. But for most of us, that's where the dream stalls. We've all heard the horror stories, the financial time bombs, the cars with soul-stirring speed and equally soul-crushing repair bills. That constant fear that a simple Sunday drive could end with a 5-figure invoice and a ride home in a tow truck. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if you could get the thrill of a supercar without the anxiety of a catastrophic failure? Well, we've put together our list of 10 modern marvels that prove it's possible. These are cars that deliver face-melting performance, jaw-dropping looks, and a surprising amount of dependability. So here are 10 of the most reliable supercars that are actually worth owning. Number 10. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Aston Martin Vantage. For years, buying an Aston was a decision made entirely by the heart, while the brain screamed in protest. But the modern Vantage, the one made from 2018 onwards, signals a massive shift. The secret? It's got a German heart. Underneath that stunning sculpted hood is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 sourced directly from Mercedes-AMG. This engine is a masterpiece, giving the Vantage over 500 horsepower and a level of dependability that was pretty much unheard of in the brand's past. By blending timeless British design with proven German engineering, Aston Martin created a car that offers the soul-stirring experience you expect with a peace of mind you don't. Now, let's be real. Running costs are still in supercar territory, and it's not immune to the occasional quirk, but it's a huge leap forward, making the Vantage a genuinely usable machine and a worthy start to our list. Number 9. At number 9, a true American legend reborn, the second-generation Ford GT. Built from 2017 to 2022, this thing is less of a supercar and more of a Le Mans race car that happens to be road legal. With a chassis made almost entirely of carbon fiber and aero that could suck the paint off a lesser car, you'd expect it to be a nightmare to maintain. But that's where the GT surprises everyone. Instead of some fragile, high-strung V8, Ford dropped in a specially tuned 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6. This engine has roots in Ford's tough-as-nails truck lineup, but it was evolved to produce a mind-bending 647 horsepower. Its endurance-focused engineering was proven at the highest level when it won its class at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. That kind of racing demands near-bulletproof dependability. While its low production numbers mean real-world data is scarce and repair costs are astronomical, the GT is praised by owners for its surprising reliability, especially for something so specialized and rare. It's a testament to Ford's engineering and proves that race-winning tech doesn't automatically mean constant garage time. Number 8. For our number 8 spot, we head to Japan for a car that is less of a vehicle and more of a myth, the Lexus LFA. When Lexus, a brand known for quiet luxury and rock-solid reliability, said it was building a supercar, the world raised a collective eyebrow. Then they unveiled the LFA, and it silenced every last doubter. The LFA is an exercise in obsessive engineering. Its heart is a 4.8-liter naturally aspirated V10, co-developed with Yamaha, that screams all the way to a 9,000 RPM redline. This engine isn't just an auditory masterpiece, it's a monument to durability. Everything on the LFA was over-engineered with Lexus's fanatical attention to detail. Because only 500 were ever made, many have been kept as low-mileage collector's items. However, there are legendary anecdotes of owners racking up tens of thousands of miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. A feat almost unheard of in this territory. The LFA is proof that you can have one of the most exotic driving experiences on the planet without giving up the dependability its parent company, Toyota, is famous for. Number 7. Coming in at number 7 is a car that shattered old stereotypes, the Ferrari 488 GTB. For decades, the phrase reliable Ferrari was the ultimate automotive oxymoron. But with cars like the 488, Ferrari has made huge strides in quality. The 488 is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, and this engine family is so good it won the prestigious International Engine of the Year award multiple years in a row. This powertrain is celebrated not just for its monstrous 660-plus horsepower, but for its relative robustness. Ferrari's focus on F1-derived tech and improved quality control means the 488 isn't the ticking financial time bomb of its ancestors. But let's be clear, it's still a Ferrari. Maintenance, consumables, and unexpected repairs can still cost a fortune. Even so, owners report far fewer of the gremlins that plagued older models, making the 488 a modern Ferrari you can actually drive regularly. Number 6. At number 6, another Japanese masterpiece that blends wild performance with everyday usability, the second-generation Honda, or Acura NSX. The original NSX showed the world a supercar could be as reliable as a Civic. Its successor brings that spirit into the modern era with a sophisticated hybrid powertrain. The heart of the new NSX is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, paired with 3 electric motors, giving it instant torque and all-wheel drive. Being a Honda, reliability was a core focus. The complex hybrid system was engineered with Honda's legendary precision, making it potent and impressively dependable for a hybrid supercar. Owners praise it for being a low-stress ownership experience. While its complexity means some repairs can be costly, its unique tech, killer looks, and Honda's reputation for building things right make it one of the smartest supercar buys out there. Number 5. Cracking our top 5 is a car that perfectly blends Italian passion with German precision. The Lamborghini Huracan. For years, Lamborghinis were the poster children for drama, excitement, and, well, temperament. But when Audi took over, everything changed. The Huracan shares its chassis and its glorious 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine with the Audi R8. This shot of German engineering fundamentally changed Lamborghini's approach to build quality and reliability. That V10 is famously robust and can handle immense power while remaining dependable. While you'll still pay supercar prices for maintenance, owners report the Huracan is significantly more reliable and easier to live with than any of its predecessors. It delivers all the noise and head-turning drama you want from a Lambo, but with a newfound layer of dependability that makes it a surprisingly livable choice. Number 4. At number 4 is the Brute from Japan, a car known by a single fearsome name, Godzilla. The Nissan GT-R R35. Since it first hit the streets, the GT-R has been the king of slaying giants, offering performance that embarrasses cars costing twice as much. But its real secret weapon? Legendary durability. The GT-R is famously over-engineered. Its 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, hand-built by a single master craftsman called a Takumi, is known for its ability to handle incredible stress. The dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive system are equally tough. However, it's not invincible. Early models in particular had some well-documented transmission concerns, and abusing launch control can still lead to very expensive repairs. But with proper maintenance, the GT-R has solidified its reputation as a nearly indestructible performance machine you can drive every day, in any weather. Number 3. Our bronze medal goes to a car born on the racetrack, yet somehow perfectly at home on the road, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. You might think a track-focused weapon like this would be fragile, but the opposite is true. The GT3 RS is engineered for endurance. Its 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine's design is heavily informed by Porsche's motorsport programs, where engines have to withstand hours of extreme punishment. This means every component is built to a standard far beyond what's needed for the street. Owners who track their cars extensively report remarkable reliability, with many hitting the track dozens of times a year with no major issues. Porsche's obsession with durability under pressure has created one of the most robust high-performance cars in the world, a road-legal race car built to withstand the ultimate test. Number 2. Taking the silver is the car often called the everyday supercar, and for very good reason. The Audi R8 V10. The R8 absolutely rocked the supercar world by offering exotic looks and that incredible V10, all wrapped in a package of impeccable German build quality. Sharing its phenomenal 5.2-liter V10 with the Lamborghini Huracan, the R8 starts with a powertrain celebrated for its strength and reliability. But what really sets the R8 apart is the total Audi experience. The build quality is exceptional, the tech is user-friendly, and the service network is way more accessible than most exotic brands. Owners consistently praise the R8 for being one of the least stressful supercars to own. Now, manageable maintenance is relative. It's still a V10 supercar, so don't expect Honda prices, but for its class, the costs are reasonable. It's the perfect fusion of raw excitement and real-world livability. Number 1. And finally, at number 1, what is arguably the gold standard of reliable performance, the benchmark against which all other sports cars are measured, the Porsche 911 Turbo. For decades, the 911 Turbo has been perfecting the formula of blending earth-shattering speed with tank-like dependability. The secret is relentless, obsessive evolution. Porsche's flat-six engine has been refined over generations into one of the most robust high-performance power plants ever made. Mated to the lightning-fast and incredibly durable PDK transmission and a sure-footed all-wheel drive system, the 911 Turbo is a supercar for all seasons. Owners regularly use these as daily drivers, piling on tens of thousands of miles in all weather with minimal issues. It's a car that can launch you from 0 to 60 in the mid-2-second range, yet feel as calm and comfortable as a luxury sedan in traffic. It's widely considered the ultimate do-it-all supercar, offering a combination of performance, practicality, and bulletproof reliability that is simply unmatched. So there you have it, 10 supercars that prove you can have the thrill of a lifetime without the financial nightmare. Each of these machines offers a unique blend of speed, style, and most importantly, peace of mind. Which one of these reliable rockets would you put in your garage? Let us know your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the world of dependable dream cars, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss what's next. From the German-hearted Aston to the all-conquering Porsche, it's clear the modern supercar has evolved. The dream of owning one of these incredible machines is more attainable and less terrifying than ever. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.